everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make juicy steak. The ingredients for this recipe are beef, lemon juice, rosemary leaves, soy sauce, and steak seasoning, any kind you like to use. First, I'm gonna rinse the beef and let it sit on the drainer. Then I'm gonna put all the spices on it. First, I'm gonna put about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Lemon juice makes the steak very juicy. And then I'm gonna add about half tablespoon of soy sauce on top of that. Just rub it all over the steak. Then I'm gonna sprinkle my seasoning. After that, I'm gonna sprinkle the rosemary leaves and then do the same thing on the other side of the steak. Do the same thing. First lemon juice, then soy sauce. On top of that, sprinkle the steak seasoning and then rosemary leaves. Put the lid on and marinate it for an hour in the refrigerator. When you grill, make sure the grill is nice and hot. And then I'm gonna grill it for about 10 minutes each side. I like my steak well done, but if you want medium rare, you could cook it for 5 to 6 minutes each side. Now we flip the steaks and cook the other side for another 8 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna serve the steak with a little bit brown rice. So I put a little bit brown rice on the bottom of the plate. Then I put the steak on top of that. A small piece of butter goes on top of the steak. I'm gonna garnish my plate with 2 slices of lime. pour a little bit steak sauce on top of it. The steak is ready. I hope you enjoy this video and try to make it at home. Thank you for watching.